the statement he made.
With due regards to the eminent professor sitting there, they spoke everything other than, reprimanding the BJP MP, who is a present BJP MP, who is the ex-speaker of the Karnataka Assembly, 5 to 6 times MLA and ex-minister. This is the same party which didn't hoist flag for 52 years in its ideological arm, RSS. This was the same party which said that, during Constitution, Manusmriti would be better. Its ideological arm, RSS said. So we need to speak on this. Forget about, whether Vande Mataram and Janaganamana are two eyes of our nation. If someone wants to say why Janaganamana, even though Vande Mataram is more nationalistic, Janaganamana is more federal in nature. What is India? India is union of states. Without the states, what is India without the states? India is nothing without the states. So why Janaganamana means Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha. Okay, see what I said earlier was, okay, that why Janagana Mana was taken over Vande Mataram, because it was more federal in approach. It emphasizes all the states. One second, man, gentlemen, you are all elder to me. At least have some basic common sense that you.
No,
have
I'm
to hear
not
me
younger
out.
to do, sir. My hair are more whiter than you, and I don't black my hair.
Okay.
That's okay. Just wait. That's see.
Okay.
At least have some.
Professor Kapil, you are young. There's no doubt in that you are young.
No, you can't say younger to me. I'm
The
younger to you. You can't
the
say that.
problem, gentlemen, is you both at least be a good listeners. No,
Okay,
I
okay,
might do some
okay.
mistakes.
I'm a
At least
listener, but
listen to me.
Okay, let's get the context straight. We have very limited very limited time. You know, Professor Kapil, what Satya Prakash is trying to say is that it is more inclusive, more secular
I am no God.
in nature.
I am no God to err is human. I might err. I am no professors like you all. But please try to understand what I'm saying. What I'm trying to tell is, instead of speaking, one second, wait.
Okay,
One second,
hold
man.
on, Mr. Kapil, Professor Kapil, let him make a statement.
Can you please mute him for a minute?
Go on.
Yeah. See, what I'm telling is, instead of talking everything against what BJP and the RSS counterpart has said, they're speaking about history. Today, let us speak why this particular gentleman, who is a one-time MP, five-time MLA, has the guts to say that national anthem, this should not be the national anthem after 75 years. This is what you all should talk. You have to look at उनका मनस्थिति का देखो, वो RSS मनस्थिति है, वो BJP का मनस्थिति है, वो कोमवाद का मनस्थिति है. You talk on that.
Okay.
You are talking on all other things, on historical things other than this. Why is RSS, a guy who is bred by RSS, talking this language after 75 years? Is the topic of today, not what happened, whether Vande Mataram or Janagana Mana. Today, the National Assembly and we have accepted Janagana Mana as a national anthem. And if a MP of this nation who abides by the Constitution says that he doesn't accept the national anthem, you all should talk against him.
No, I think that's Satya Prakash. What has been made clear?
What has been made clear? He is disrespecting the nation.
Satya Prakash, what has been made clear here is that what the
it can't have a different meaning in Europe and it can't have a different meaning in India. Secularism means
it has
total break of state from religion.
Nehruvian secularism
in India. Please now don't interfere, Mr. Older Man. Don't interfere.
Okay.
Don't interfere.
When I give you back, you're feeling very bad.
Secularism. No, I don't have the money to buy a dice.
Oh God.
Let me explain secularism better. Okay.
Okay, Satya
Indian
Prakash.
secularism is
You have 30 seconds. I don't have too much time. I want to bring in Ratan Shahda as well. Yeah.
Indian secularism is different.
All right, Professor Kapil. For the moment, Professor Kapil, hold on for the moment. Professor Kapil, it is unfair for you not to allow others to speak. Is not right. Professor Kapil, calm down for a moment. Okay. Let's hear him. People have opinions. Yeah. Go on, Satya Prakash, quickly.
See, what I'm trying to tell is, Indian secularism means Nehruvian secularism. Janagana Mana means... One second, sir, with due respect. Please be a good listener. Please be a good listener. Please be a good listener. Just because you are a professor, you can't keep on talking. Be a good listener.
Make your point. Make your point, Satya Prakash.
Yeah, see, Janagana Mana is more federal in nature. It encompasses all the states, all the languages, all the religions. That is how it is more secular, it is more federal in outlook. While we are not telling Vande Mataram is something different. Vande Mataram is more nationalistic in approach. But we shouldn't forget that Janagana Mana is more federal in outlook, more secular in outlook. It respects each and every religion. It expects each and every region. It linguistic representation of all India. And what is India? India is unity in diversity. Janagana Mana accepts diversity. While India is diverse, while we are all diverse, we will unite in the name of the nation, in the name of the constitution.
Okay.
Is all
So
what
you
Janagana
that
Mana
was your
says.
point, and that's glorified by every community,
Only
including
by
the
us,
Muslim
not by
community in India.
Congress.
Including the
but,
Muslim
Nabila,
community in
how
India.
can you-
Let me be clear about that.
Nabila,
gone are
how
those
can you
days?
endorse a BJP MP who swears by
Sir,
RSS
we are
ideology?
agreeing that
Today
BJP
says
MP's
RSS
comment is
ideology,
wrong.
that he doesn't
We are
accept
agreeing
Janagana
BJP
Mana.
is